So, that's nice. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing today?
I'm good. Do you have an appointment today?
No. I'm afraid not. I don't make an appointment, but you think maybe you could fit me in for a nice haircut?
Let me see. Yeah, it looks like I can fit you in today.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome. Can I get your first name?
Sure. It's Sylvio.
Okay, and your last name?
Stancatto. Stancatto.
Okay, perfect, Sylvio. I can take you today.
Nice. You see that, Sal? Thanks so much. I really
you're
appreciate
welcome.
that. What's your name?
Sylvia.
No. Serious?
Yeah.
My God, you believe this? We have the same name. Sylvia, Sylvio. I don't believe this. Thanks so much, Sylvia.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that.
Call me.
You see?
Okay, I'll be back 10, 15 minutes.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Do me a favor. Don't tell the story about how you spun out on the highway on black ice.
Sure. Okay, Sal. Yeah, sure. Hi. I like this thing. What do you call this thing over here?
Smock.
A smock. You call this a smock? Okay, I know smoke, but thanks anyway.
So how's the weather out there? Does it look like it's going to rain?
Rain? No, not a chance. It's a beautiful summer day today. Sun is shining, sky is blue. I love the summertime. Thanks God, because I don't like the winter, especially to drive. When the snow comes down and the roads get all full of ice. Oh, no. You know what's dangerous at night in the wintertime? Fucking the black ice. It's too dark, you can't see. 1 minute everything is going okay, then all of a sudden, boom, fucking the black ice all over the road. You know, last winter, I was driving home late one night on the highway. Everything was fine. There were no cars on the road, no snow anywhere. All of a sudden, my car started to spin around and around and around, and I go over the highway, and I end up in the ditch. You know why? Fucking black ice. I've never been so scared in my life. I tell you, one of these days, the black ice is going to kill somebody.
Wait.
That's an icy.